Hello friend, this is Mayank Chauhan. Today talking about graphic representation through Python. In a Python language, there are three libraries are there shown in this display. Also NetworkX, NumPy and Matplotlib. And we can use these three libraries and create a graph in Python. So it start working. A graph in its command is g is equals to nx dot graph, and g is a name of any graph and some adding nodes and edges in this graph and to show how to it how to its work. So so g dot add underscore node 1 and two two to three, 3 to 4 nodes are adding more more will be there. G dot add underscore node 2, g dot add underscore node 3 and g dot node underscore 4. There are 4 nodes will be there, and we can also edit the edges in this graph. So edges will be there are add g dot add underscore edge, and edge size will be 1 comma 2, and two more edges adding more added edges. G dot underscore edge and size will be 3 comma 4, and the last one is g dot add underscore edge 2 comma 3, and draw the graph will be there. So adding this command to be draw the graph, so command will be nx dot draw, and the size was g, and the g is equals to nx dot graph, and the show the graph plot dot and show and the run the graph. So it is the desired output is a simple graph, and the nodes will be color is blue and not be labeled it. So it is labeled, and the change the color of nodes will be there, and the other option will be in the Python language, and so it is color change and labeled it. To add the label and the color will be so nx dot draw g dot g comma with underscore labels is equals to 1 comma node underscore color will be red. This red color is my favorite. It is so it is red will be there, and run it. So it is well labeled, and the node color is also red, and the 1 2 3 4 will be there are nodes, 4 nodes are there. And the next thing, a path of the graph or in this command. So by returning the command of by the path, g is equals to g is equals to x dot path underscore graph, and the size will be also any size of will be there is 6, any number of will be there written as path, and the run. So it is we have a simple graph in between 0 to 5, 0 1 2 3 5, and also create a cyclic graph will be there. So command its g is equals to an x will be copy there and the paste, and the changes of path will be cycle. So g is equals to nx dot cycle underscore graph, and the size will be 8. So and it is run and will be cyclic graph will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 और 8 मतलब 7 तक 0 से 7 मतलब 0 से 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 8 हो जाएगा and a create a complete graph. So G is equals to nx dot a complete graph. The size will be 9 be there and run it. So where you can see a complete graph by using predefined functions are there and the complete graph will be shown in there. So it is my video about visualizing by basic graph by using Python. Thank you.